చూశారు కదా, ఇది మన సివిల్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నిర్మాణ అప్డేట్స్. ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఇంతవరకు ఎవరు చేశారు, ఏంటి, ఎలా ఉన్నాయి ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ చూశారు కదా, చాలా ఇన్నోవేటివ్గా చాలా బాగా చేశారు మన స్టూడెంట్స్. సో వాటికి సంబంధించిన అప్డేట్స్ అన్ని మన స్టూడెంట్స్ దగ్గర నుంచి తీసుకున్నాము. వాళ్ళకి ఎలాంటి సపోర్ట్ వచ్చింది, ఎలా చేశారు, ఎన్ని డేస్ వర్క్ చేశారు, ఎంత కష్టపడ్డారు, ఇలా వాటికి సంబంధించిన అప్డేట్స్ అన్ని స్టూడెంట్స్ దగ్గర నుంచి తీసుకున్నాము ఆల్రెడీ. బట్ సో దానికి సంబంధించిన ఇంకా లేటెస్ట్ అప్డేట్స్ అంటే సార్ వాళ్ళు ఎలా సపోర్ట్ చేశారు, ఏంటి, సో స్టూడెంట్స్కి ఎలాంటి సజెషన్స్ వచ్చాయి, ఇలాంటి అప్డేట్స్ అన్ని మనం మన హెచ్ఓడి సార్, సివిల్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ హెచ్ఓడి సార్ రమేష్ సార్ దగ్గరికి వచ్చాము. ఆయన అడిగి కనుక్కుందాము. లెట్ us go and interact with our civil department HOD sir, Ramesh sir. Hi sir, good morning.
Good morning.
So we are from ABC channel.
Yeah, thank you very much.
So we just want to have a small interaction with you about the civil department Nirmaan work, how it is going on. We already asked a few students about the project expo and everything. So we just want to have small updates about that.
Yeah, actually frankly speaking, I didn't visit the entire Nirmaan events.
Okay sir.
But yesterday there was a guest lecture by Professor Appara.
Yes sir.
And it was quite awesome. So the students are doing lot many activities. You can just check out.
Yes.
Related to design of buildings, related to treasure hunt. Yeah, by using some tricks.
Yes sir.
You have to find out where is there will be some clues and you have to find out where is the treasure and all.
Okay.
There is other things like quiz competitions are there. So many other things they are doing. Stress interview, where how the students are handling the stress when he is kept into a difficult situation. How he handles the stress and all. So lot many things, innovative things they are doing.
Yes, a lot many things they are doing. So still, it's like yesterday one guest lecture completed, right, by our Professor G. Apparao sir. So how was the lecture, sir?
Lecture was good. Professor Apparao is a structural faculty.
Okay.
So it was good.
How was the response from the students? Did they like it?
Yeah, students were very enthusiastic. Like the lecture was about to start at 9:30.
Yes, sir.
But all students were gathered around 9 o'clock and they were eagerly waiting. So it was like very good experience for the students.
Okay. So do you think guest lectures are important to the students' life?
Yeah, of course. Guest lectures are important to the students' life because always I motivate them for that only, because that will give some extra energy for them to achieve something. Or most of the time what happens is we'll be having the experts in particular department. But when you call a guest lecture, his expertise will be different. And suppose that's what I was trying to tell.
Okay.
We need not to have expert only in academics. The expert can be from sports, can be from administrative services like IAS, IPS,
anything.
or maybe a good manager or manager level high officials. So anyone who can motivate them. So like that, it will be always good.
Okay, sir. So only guest lectures are otherwise. Do you have any plan of conducting any practical sessions? Because the civil department means more than theory, practical sections will be more. So coming out, field work will be very more. Yeah. So do you have any plan of conducting practical sections to the students?
Yeah, of course. Practical sessions are more important as a civil engineer. So yeah, we are planning for these workshops related to design softwares.
Okay.
And some advanced surveying techniques are there nowadays. The old techniques like chain surveying, compass surveying, or the plane table surveying are becoming outdated. Nowadays people are going for electronic distance measurement equipments where with that radiations will be there, laser beam by calculating the time
propagation
of
that waves.
Propagation of the waves. So we can get the distance measurement, that is electronic distance measuring devices, or we can measure the angle between any two lines, or even we can measure the elevation of different points with respect to fixed point. So all the things can be done by now the available sophisticated equipments. Like in our laboratory we have this total station.
Okay, sir.
It's one equipment which can be used for doing almost every surveying operation. Okay. And at the end we can generate a beautiful maps of whatever the area we surveyed. Yes. With all the data can be digitally downloaded and all. So nowadays manual work is little become less. Everything becoming happening with the data. We have data logger in the machine, so it will save all the data automatically. We can take that data in the computer, we can convert that, or we can use that file and generate a map in AutoCAD or any other software. So it is really good, pretty good.
Yes, nowadays rather than hard work, it is becoming smart work even for the civil workers.
Yeah, it's becoming smart work. Yeah, of course.
Yes, sir. So as a HOD, how did you support the students for Nirmaan? It's like your civil department.
I'm the head of the department. But as this Nirmaan event is there, it is solely done by students. I'm very proud.
How did you support
I'm proud to tell you that they just came to me and they told, okay, sir, this is our idea. This is what the events we are doing. So I just give a small inputs, but most of the things were done by students only.
Yes, sir.
So I don't want to take any credit from them.
Okay.
So that is whole student creation.
Even a small suggestion also valuable to them, right? So how did you suggest them, like doing any innovative ideas?
Yeah, we usually discuss, because it's not just me. We have almost 17 faculties in our department. So everyone is contributing. Now our Abhiyanth coordinator K. Vishwanath is there. There are other faculties like Mr. Ravi Adla, our Rupas Kumar, Amrendra sir. So everybody is contributing on their level. Shravan Kumar sir, or Chaitanya sir, everybody is giving their inputs. Or new faculties are there. We have some 4 lady faculties also.
Shweta ma'am,
Shravanti ma'am. I think you know every one of them.
Yes, sir.
So everyone is contributing.
Yes, sir. They are also participating actively.
Because everyone's masters are different, or their their education is different. Means we have in civil engineering almost 5 to 6 major disciplines are there.
Yes, sir.
So everybody is helping from their point of view.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So I'll just overall I'll just monitor it.
You just monitor them, and how did you motivate and coordinate students and faculty so to make Nirmaan event grand success?
Yeah, for coordination and all, it's very easy due to the availability of technology.
Okay.
We have the mail groups. We can send a mail regarding any information. We have WhatsApp groups through which we can communicate. If something is very urgent or something we want to do it on quick basis.
Okay.
So that organization and all will be very easy. Plus our class coordinators are there, CRs.
Yes, sir.
That class representatives are doing very good job.
Okay, sir.
So anything is there, if you inform them, they'll pass on the information to the students, and it happens very quickly.
Very quickly. So what about your financial support to the students, or how did you get that support from the administration, like directors or Evo ma'am, financially?
This time if you see Abhiyanth as overall,
yes, sir.
I feel it is organized in much better way.
Yes, sir.
So financially if you see, our institute has sanctioned some amount,
yes, sir,
and it is given to the central coordinator, which is Mr. Imran Sharif.
Yes, sir.
And then he will hand over to the
student
yes, through faculty coordinator.
Yes, sir.
So money will not be given directly to the students. Sorry.
Okay.
So that's how it will be handled. So whenever amount is required, students will come to me, sir, we need this amount, and I'll just get it from the Abhiyanth coordinator, main coordinator.
Yes, so whatever you said, like previous year Abhiyanth 2K18 than that, now in Abhiyanth 2K19 is some more in an organized way, systematic manner.
Organized way, systematically, it has been, you can say, well planned.
Yes.
Well planned, and it is well executed.
Planning and execution is nicely coordinated.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Because it's not easy to manage this many number of students.
Yes,
we have almost, I think, 6,000 plus students in our campus. Plus
Ongole
campus
students also are there. Yes, sir.
So they might be around 3,000 or something.
Yes,
3 years. So it's a huge number of students. So organizing a fest to that level is not easy.
Not easy. Yes,
and I'll just want to mention that the Abhiyanth coordinator, Mr. Imran Sharif, is doing a lot of hard work.
Yes, sir.
So as I know him personally, he was a warden, chief warden for
yes,
last 2 years. Very commendable job done by him.
Yes, sir. So finally today Explode is going to start. Today and tomorrow we'll be enjoying. Will you join with us?
Yeah, of course. It's not just Explode. Even yesterday also, I have seen a lot many events. The technical, because it's a techno-cultural festival.
Yes, sir. So techno management cultural fest.
Techno management cultural festival.
A complete engineer.
Complete engineering.
Yes, sir.
So it is not just a technical aspect or management aspect. The cultural aspect also is very important.
Yes,
for the student to come out from the stress, yes, or the
it's a recreation.
Sometimes it becomes monotonous.
Yes, sir.
If you are continuously having academic pressure, some students may not be able to cope up with that. So there must be some stress busters. So by which they will forget all the tensions or the stress and all,
yes,
and they will get the new energy. That's refreshing your mind. So that is really important, and I really found yesterday I have visited most of the things. I have seen that they have done many fun games, activities like bungee jump,
bull ride,
yes, or that I think
water balloon,
yes, and it was really awesome. And even our director sir was inaugurating, and he was just observing everything. It was really fun. Whatever the 1 or 2 days, it's our RKV festival.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so really very happy, and yeah, today's expo, looking forward to that.
Okay.
Because when I talked with Abhiyanth, main coordinator,
coordinator.
faculty coordinator, Imran Sharif sir, so he's very confident that this will become a very big thing.
Yes, sir.
And everybody is going to enjoy it. So explode as usual every time. It is happening from past, I think, 5 to 6
5
years.
to 6 years, sir.
So it has been awesome. So this year I think it will be much better.
Okay.
Because we have a big stage, and everything is well organized. So it will be very good, I think. Today and tomorrow.
2 days.
Yeah, 2
So
days.
from 6:30 to nearly end of that session.
Yeah, 6:30 to I think 10:30 it will go on.
Yes,
Max 10:30 to 11 maybe. But it will be awesome.
Okay, sir. Hope to see you and enjoy that festival.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you so much for having interview with you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much to all of you, and this ABC channel. So nice initiative. So keep rocking, Abhiyanth 2K19. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.